everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Well, I am super excited. I am doing an unboxing of a cooperation that I am doing with Coca Rosa Studio, and I will leave their link down below. I will leave the links of these awesome dies down below. And I do have a coupon code that you could save 25% off your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. So let's get started. This first set is a two-piece leaf set. And I thought that these would really come in handy when so many projects. So you get these two dies. Look how pretty those leaves are. And they are right at 5.5 inches long. And see, the largest one is probably about 3/4 of an inch wide, and this other one is about 1/4 of an inch wide. So super, super useful, versatile dies. So these are the two-piece leaf dies. And shocker, shocker, of course, the majority of them are Halloween. Because, guys, I just can't get over it. I'm just telling you. I just love it so much. It makes me happy. This is the grid border and fat dies. And I want you to look how stinking cute this is. It comes with, it says Halloween here. So this will cut out Halloween. So you get one piece here. You get the grid, and then you get the shadow piece, or you could actually make it into a shaker. And you get 1, 2, 3 bats and a spider web. Oh, this is super cute. And then you can put this somewhere it's cut out Halloween. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute is that? And this grid is, let's see, about 4 1/8 inch by 4 1/8 inch. So that's a good size for a card. Oh my goodness, look at that bat. Love the spider web. Fun, fun, fun. And so this will be the grid border and the bat dies. And I seen this and I thought, okay, this one could be fun to play with. This one is called the Swiss roll die. Like the Swiss rolls that you can make for Christmas and Thanksgiving, like a pumpkin roll and a strawberry. And so this one is actually a strawberry roll. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 9 dies with this, guys. And so this is going to be like the icing. And then this is the different layer of the rolls. And then there's your strawberries. How stinking cute is this? So your roll is going to be right at 5 inches by 3 7/8 of an inch. Cute. I've got some ideas on this. So this is the Swiss roll die. And this is going to be a staple in dies that I use because of how many is in here. This is the Halloween Elements die. So look at all these dies you get. You get a cute little ghost, a haunted house, a spider, a bat, a witch, a cat, skull and bones, a little freaky hand with a spider, and weird looking pumpkin. And look at this candelabra that you get. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 10 dies with this, guys. Look how cute all of them are. These would be perfect to use on ATCs, on pocket letters. I mean, just anything. How stinking cute is that? So this is the Halloween Elements die. And this is the Ghost die. And this creepy little ghost here has got some scary balloons. And there's the string. And a pumpkin that you can, and a pumpkin that he can have for a, like a pumpkin basket. Or pumpkin pail, or whatever you want to call it. Isn't that cute? And I love, it's cute because they look a little bit creepy and he's smiling like, yeah, you all don't scare me one bit. So this ghost is right at 2 and almost just a little over 2 and 3/4 by almost 2 inches. So how stinking cute is he? Oh my goodness. So this is the ghost set. And the last fun die set that I have to play with is, excuse me, is the spooky animals. And what sold me on this one, you got it, was this cat. But I love the spider size. Then there is a bat and then like a raven or a crow. So you get 4 dies. Look how cute those are. I can see some holographic paper behind them little kitty eyes. So this is the Spooky Animals die set. So thank you to Coca-Rosa for sending me these fabulous dies. And guys, be on the lookout of some project shares coming up. And I will leave the links down below. Go check these out. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.